going to show you how to fix a Fitbit Versa 3 where you have a black screen, the display won't turn on. However, you know that the watch is on because when you press the button here, you can feel it vibrate. Now I'm going to give you two easy fixes, okay? Now, but take note that this one here is actually fixed, but let's pretend I have a totally black screen, okay? So the first thing you want to do, the first step is this. What we want to do is force it to restart. So you have the power button here. What you want to do is press and hold and do not let go until we see the Fitbit logo appear. So we're going to do it together, okay? Ready? One, and just pretend my screen is totally black, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Press and hold. Now you have to feel it vibrate. I didn't feel it vibrate. Let me do it again. Ready? Go. Okay, I felt it vibrate. Now I'm going to hold it. I'm not going to let go. I'm still holding on there, waiting for it basically to show the Fitbit logo, meaning that it's starting to boot back up. Okay, I just felt it restart, or I just felt it vibrate. You can let go there, or you can let go when you see the actual logo here. Okay, now just wait for this to boot back up. This typically takes like 30 seconds to fully boot back up. Now the thing is, even if this didn't work, what I want you to do is try it again. Okay, press and hold, do not let go until you see the Fitbit logo appear. Okay, now if you guys are still down after trying this multiple times, 4, 5, 6 times, and it didn't work, the next thing I want you to do is this. I want you to go ahead and grab your charger, and what I want you to do is pop it in there and let it charge for about 5 minutes. Okay, after 5 minutes, I want you to do the same thing, except this time while it is charging. Okay, so let's just pretend my screen is black again, and I'm going to go ahead and press and hold. Ready, set, go. I just felt it vibrate. Perfect. I'm not going to take my finger off. Pretend my screen is totally black. I don't know what's going on. I'm just holding onto that button, hoping that a Fitbit logo appears. Still holding. Still holding. I just felt it vibrate. I know it's going to come back on now. Fitbit logo. Go ahead and let go, and you guys should be up and running. If this didn't work for you, again, wait 5 minutes. Try again. Okay? Anyway, most of you guys should be up now. If it worked for you, thumbs up. If not, thumbs down.